How you doing? Dave Barodinelli here at MarineMax Boston, and today I'm going to take you aboard the 2021 285 Boston Whaler Conquest. Starting in the aft, this boat has the new Mercury 250 horsepower V8s. Very easy if you want to check your oil. Easy to take the cowling off. Very nice engines. In the aft, we've got a live well here. This boat here has the standard transom seat as well as the optional port side seat. Very easy to store these away and give you a nice big platform for fishing or entertaining, as you can see. We have two big in-deck fish boxes, both port and starboard, both with macerators. Moving forward, you'll see how beautiful the powder coating is on this. Everything's integrated to the fiberglass T-top, integrated LED spreader lights. Here on the port side, this boat has the optional enclosures you can see, but on the port side, you've got plenty of tackle storage. You've got a forward-facing seat, and this very easily goes forward. And now you can be sitting facing aft along with the footrest here. Starboard side behind the helm, nice area for two 5-gallon buckets. Coming in here, you have your battery switches, very easily accessible. Here at the helm, you've got a beautiful seat. You've got a Ray Marine electronics package, Mercury Smartcraft. Ergonomically, everything's where it's supposed to be. All your switches are nicely labeled. Controls here, Lenco trim tabs with LED lights. Of course, remote spotlight, Fusion stereo, and you can see you've got great visibility with the big windshield, all again integrated into the hardtop, so you have no canvas forward. On the port side here, you do have a nice lounger, and then you can remove this seat, and you do have a table here that comes out, so when this seat's removed, you can sit facing each other. Coming down into the salon of the 285, you'll see on the port side we've got a fully appointed galley refrigerator, single burner Kenyan hot top, microwave, and of course hot and cold sink. This boat does have central air conditioning and heat. Forward, you'll see that you do have a table here. This very easily goes down, opens up, and now you put your cushions together, and that will create one big bed as this drops in the back. Starboard side, under the helm, you've got a fully appointed head, of course Dometic vacuum flush toilet, hot and cold sink. That pulls out and goes up here for your shower, so you've got a wet head. And then of course in the aft here, come down and take a peek in the aft. You can sleep another two. Again, this is the 2021 285 Whaler Conquest here at MarineMax Boston. For more information, please call me at 401-569-3874. Thanks for joining us.